So most of us go through the usual steps of shutting down your PC by clicking start, going to power options and choosing shutdown. But that can take a bit longer, especially if you're in a rush or just want a more efficient way. Here's how you can set up the slide to shutdown feature. Right click on your desktop and select new shortcut option. In the pop-up window, type in slide to shutdown with no spaces. After that, click on next, and in the next window, type in the name of the shortcut as slide to shutdown or just leave it as it is, and click on finish. After that, the newly created shortcut will appear on your desktop. To make the shortcut appear more presentable, let's go ahead and change the icon. Right click and select properties. In the properties dialog, select change icon. So I'll just go with this one because it looks like a power button icon. And click on apply and save the changes. So we just created the shutdown shortcut and it's right here. All you have to do now is double click and slide down the screen with your mouse or finger if you have a touch device, and your PC will shut down immediately. And it's that simple to shut down your PC. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.